Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can fix too many friends on Snapchat in 2 minutes issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. If you have been encountering that kind of issue, so first thing, you're gonna open up your Snapchat, go to the chat section. Once you're in the chat section, you will find all of your friends over here. You can simply go ahead and switch to this section where you will be able to check out the stories as well according to you, and you can also check out the ads section and you will find your friends from over here at the bottom as well. So first thing first, if you want to simply try and remove them or hide them if there are too many, all you have to do is simply go ahead and long press on the friend, tap on this option of manage friendship, and tap on remove friend, and tap on remove again. That's how you will be able to remove that friend, and once you have done that, you are good to go. You can try and add that to as many friends as. And one thing that you have to know is that you can afterwards, if you have recently added many friends, you may need to wait for a while, as there are some limits to how quickly you can add people later on according to the Snapchat support itself. So wait for that and you're good to go. You can add many people again, or if you simply want to remove them, since there are too many, go ahead, long press on them and tap on remove friends. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.